will be the same thing to be done using binary search. To perform binary search in an integer array having 10 numbers as its elements. So binary search. Binary search has some advantage, some disadvantage. Binary search is there is a limitation. That means you will start with a sorted array. The searching you will do, but you will start with a sorted array. Thus, the array is already sorted, right? That means either it is increasing in increasing order or it is in decreasing order. Right? But advantage is that it is faster than the linear search. Linear search means all the terms, all the elements you have to search. But in binary search, you will divide the total range. You will divide in two ranges, right? One first half and the second half, right? You will search the middle. If the middle is exactly matching with the middle, then you will say that you will print that the target is found. That means you will search the target first with the middle. If it is found exactly matching, then you will declare immediately, or else you will compare the value with this or this. That means whether this is greater than the middle, that means the target is greater than the middle, or the target is less than the middle, right? So accordingly you will go there again. That means the range, total range will now be either the first half or the second half. Again you will do the same thing. Clear? So that is the algorithm here, binary search. So basically what you are doing, you are, the target is given, the remaining things are same. That means the array is given, say 10 elements, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So 0th, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the values are sorted, so we assume that the values are in increasing order. Okay, the values are known. Okay, say A1, A2, A3 like that. Next, so first what we will do is we will write a, say, low. Low means this one, A1, and high means A9. Means here 9 means basically 10th element. So actually we will, since we will go for writing C code, so I am sticking to the index as prescribed in means default in C. So A10, A9, right? 9 means 10th element. I am sorry, it should be right. You are right. You are right. You are right. You are right. Thank you. You are right. So like this. Okay. Now there will be a condition that here this low is low, basically. Low means less than high because this is increasing. Now we will compare, for the loop we will compare always that, because since I can have a different range, I can have a different range all the time, I will compare the middle value. So there will be a middle value. So there will be a middle value, mid is equal to low, average of low and high. Okay. So integer division, this is integer division, so it will be accordingly because it cannot be fraction. So this operation will be both in low and high integer, and this is integer, right? So it will be basically giving you integer, even if say what is the value of this one, say 0, and what is this, 9. So means low means basically, I am sorry, extremely sorry, this will be basically the, yes, okay. So integer array, so here it is basically, uh, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, extremely sorry, these are indices, not the value, so that should be corrected. So low should be initially 0 and high should be initially 9, means that size minus 1. Okay. So mid basically low plus high by 2. So basically these are indices. The value is actually different. So array, from that array we can retrieve the value. As we declare the value, accordingly we can retrieve the value or we can get the value. So mid is equal to low plus high by 2. This is the middle. Okay. So index, accordingly we can see that 0 plus 9 means how much? 9 by 2 means 4.5. So it will be 4. Right. So that way the value will be integer value. So integer division, accordingly it will come integer. Okay, truncated. Okay, now the loop will be initially what we will check. What we will check? So target is given, right? So we will check if array mid equal to target. Right? This will be the check. Right? Now, in which condition we will do that? This will be always done, but in which condition that will be done? That will be done under a condition that low is always less than high, right? So you have to write while low is less than equal to high, right? So that will be a check always. So that means this counting will be always from lower to higher, right? That is a check. So if this is, then we will write the, we have, as earlier we will write that we have got the target is located like that. Okay, at, I'm sorry, mid. Okay, next, if not found, then what we will do? Next, if this is this, then we will write else, else, else. না, একবার not found বললে তো তাহলে আর পাবেই না, কারণ there is a rare chance that it will be found immediately, right? কি করতে হবে এবার নেক্সট? So what is that value? Mid means 4. এটা ম্যাচ করবে, এটা তো that is very rare, right? So what we will do, if that is not matching, then we will check whether the target is more than that mid value, right? So if else, अच्छा else से बोलते elif like है ना, okay okay, L, if else, right? Else target is else ही तो else if Fortran সেম ইয়ে else if যদি আবার একসাথে লিখি else if okay. Next is if that means the target is more than the mid value. মানে next what I am trying to do is, if the target is more than this value, then target কোথায় আছে? এদিকে আছে। তার মানে I will basically shift the range from this to this. Clear? Target is matching with this or not. If this is matching, then it is okay. Initially the first it is achieved or found. If it is not found here, then whether it is here or here, that we are trying to see. So target, if the target is more than, say what is that, a r r mid এই ভ্যালু, তাই তো, a r r mid. So if the target is more than or greater than this value, then target will be somewhere here. So the range that will be basically this plus, so a r r mid we have not found, so low will be now mid plus 1. So mid plus 1 will be low. Next, clear? So else if the target is greater than a r r mid, next what লো, লোটাকে বাড়াবো, টার্গেট যদি এদিকে হয় তাহলে লোটা শিফট হয়ে এখানে চলে আসবে। ক্লিয়ার? সো লো উইল বি নাও আপডেটেড, সো লো উইল বি হোয়াট, মিড প্লাস 1, কারণ মিড হ্যাজ নট ম্যাচড, এই যে it has not matched with this, so it must be greater than that. So now mid plus 1 will be low, so mid plus 1. Okay. Else means if it is not, if the target is not greater than that, then it will be obviously on this side, because it has not matched with this one, so it must be on this side or on this side. If it is not on this side, then it will be on this side. Therefore high will be now mid minus 1, high will be now mid minus 1, because it has not matched, so either it should be here or here. So low will be either here or high will be here. কারণ হাইটা এখানে, it will come here. Clear? So else high is equal to mid minus 1. Okay. Next again it will go low and high, that cycle it will continue. So it will be the condition under which it will continue to move low, high, and it will finally print. Okay, that is called the binary search. So what you are doing basically, you are dividing the whole range into two. then you are comparing with the mid. If it is matching, then it is okay, otherwise you will take only one part out of these two according to the condition. So if the target is more than this value, then definitely I have to search in this range. If the target in this range, again we will continue to do that. That means again we will divide this. আচ্ছা এইটা এইখানে হবে, হ্যাঁ একটু ভুল হয়েছে, এইটা এখানে যাবে। Mid calculation will be again done, so mid will be also updated according to the low and high. So while will go there and that calculation you have to do. Clear? Okay, so these two you have to do. Accordingly you have to get the index where we are getting the target. Clear? So these two search technique we will do today. You have to complete it. তো কোডটা করেই দিলাম প্রায়। নেক্সট ডে আমরা করব কিন্তু সর্টিং টেকনিক। ওকে, বাই নেক্সট